Viper Auto Valet down at the Viper detailing barn. Just done an unboxing video for Slims. Just going to do another unboxing video for SB3, my ceramic coating company that I use. They do other products now as well, so I'm starting to try some of those. To be honest, I can't remember what I ordered. I know it's some tire dressing, so let's get into it and have a look at what we've got. It's opened. So, plenty of noodles, great. So we've got their Tux tire dressing. Never used this stuff before. This apparently you put it into a brush, pour it into a brush, and then just brush it onto the tire. I don't know whether you remove excess for a slightly dunner finish or whether or not you leave it as is, I don't know. I'll look into that and give it a go. So, oh, it smells lovely. Can't tell you what it smells like, but it smells nice. But what I should do with this, I should put a different cap on it, like a dispensing cap, so that I can dispense a small amount into a brush and brush it on. But yeah, see what that looks like. From a lot of the people that I talk to on various forums for the SB3, a lot of them really rave about this, so I thought I had to give it a try, see what it's like. So those, got another one. So like I said, one for in the barn and one for in the van. So stock of that. This card. I've got some soap. Again, the guys that I talked to on the SB3 forum, they really rave about this soap. I think it's been specifically manufactured to be very safe for ceramic coating or washing ceramic coated cars, so I thought I'd better have one of those. So yeah, give that a whirl, see what it smells like. Not that it's that relevant, but lovely too. Yeah, very nice. Lovely smell. Can't tell you what it smells of, but it's nice. I recognise it, but can't think what it is. It's nice though. We've got a spray applicator for something. What else have I ordered? I've got some Destroy. This is a water spot remover. I've had it demonstrated. I've actually got one in the van. It works really well. Gel product as well, so it's quite thick. I'm going to smell it. I can't remember what it smells like. See if this smells any different. Not really anything special. But yeah, that's another good product for SB3. Oh, lanyard. And what else? Oh, excellent. Got some little stickers and some key fobs. Oh, dispensing cap. That's good. So I'll put those on the Tux. I think I've got two of those. And there's the other one. So really good. Saves me having a hunt for those. So yeah, another dispenser. It's probably for the soap. Dispensing cap. So there we go. Little unboxing video for SB3's products. No ceramic coatings in there this time, or nano coatings. I seem to be stocked up on those, so it's just these products. So Viper Auto Valet down at the detailing barn. More videos to come.